my friends again. So if you don't remember me playing Granny Chapter 2, go watch the first video because I posted it if I'm playing the second. And I told you guys that I will escape from the helicopter. I don't remember. So today I'm escaping from the helicopter. It's gonna take a lot of work to escape from the helicopter. I think I'm recording this at 5 in the morning. It's gonna be 6 right now, so very quiet. I think Grandpa's gone. I was afraid to get up. I'm gonna do it. Taking the biscuit. Well, perfect. He's not there. We need to get up there. Anyways. As I was saying, we need to escape from the helicopter, because I told you guys that. Grandpa is blind. Duct tape, we're going to need that. He's sleeping. You snore. Anyways, get the key, guys. It's our first day. We cannot mess this up. Wait, the bell just rang. Uh-oh, what's going on? Yes. Now you can control the helicopter. Let's go. Okay, where do we go? Please, Grandpa, don't wake up. Checking drawers. Where is he? I hear him snoring still, so that's okay. I don't need that. Here, just drop it in there. That was dumb. He's gonna come wake up. Leave me alone. I did nothing wrong. You guys are the first one to kidnap me. I don't want to play Ring Around the Rosie with daisies. Grandpa. Oh, anyways, guys. Yeah, we're gonna be escaping from the helicopter, but I need a freaking Grandpa. Hurry up, I can see you. What is he doing? Oh. Are we good to go now? Okay. Go. We need to go. Ooh, we need that too. Soon. Grandpa, where are you? Grandpa. Where is he? Okay, let's play this. There's something in there. I need to stun him. Okay, go, chico, look, meat. Serious? That's the boringest thing ever. Anyways. Yeah, right. Not for long. Good. Put my baby there, and now we go. Go. Ooh. Wait. That's not the right one. I think it's something else. We need that too. Boki, don't want that. Nothing? Seriously, guys, I'm never finding nothing. Ugly baby. Anyways, yeah. Okay, grab him again to make sure he's not here. Okay. This music's pretty good. That's what we need. The wrench. Alright, my friends. Where is Grandpa at? I don't know. Where's that Grandpa at? Where is he? Guys, I'm scared. Bro, where is he? I don't see him. Okay, I'm going to hear the suits out here. Nothing. Let's waste some time. Okay, guys. Or is it start playing? Because it can't. Okay, good. Ew. We need a stun gun right there so we can just bomb the baby. Ew. Is Grandpa gonna come? Is Grandpa gonna come? I don't hear him. So are we good or not? I'm scared. I'm gonna take the bisque. Ew, why is that thing so aggressive? Is he coming? Because I don't know. Stupid baby. He. Got these. Shut up, you freaking baby. You're gonna get me caught. Alright, I don't think he's here. She's right there. They're too far. Go. We did it. Ooh. Hey, Grandpa. You know you do. Sorry, Sandrina. Ugh. It had to be done. I'm sorry. Don't worry, she's just sleeping. She'll come back alive. Guys, she's just sleeping. She'll come back alive, don't worry. Okay, good. We need that. We have everything we need almost. I think we need a part 3. Anyways, guys, it's gonna take forever, and I'm so sorry. We're just on day 1. Guys, I like to tell on the comments, do you like my YouTube channel or you don't? It's just honest answers. That's all I need to know. Do you like my YouTube channel or not? Because I'm not a really funny person. We're gonna need that very soon. Okay. Oh my god, this is hard. What? Oh my god. There we go. We finally have it. Let's go. Need to go, need to go, need to go, need to go. That was loud. I know you do. Dark grandpa. Look at this. What is it? Come on. Come on. The crowbar. That's what we need. That's what we need. Okay, go, 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 go. That's what we need. Perfect. Got the blue wires. This is like crouching. I don't know why. Did all that work for what? Okay, pictures. We know where some are. Your foot is going to sleep. And no. The cameras are on? Sit there. Guys, I think we have to make a part 4. Oh yes. Well, I might not make a part Wait, I said part 4, and we might have to make a part 3. Shoot, it's rising so far. Or can we just video extra long? What's the other? Okay, guys, I'm like super tired. I had to wake up. I woke up at 4 and couldn't go back to sleep. So we like literally have everything for the helicopter. That's all I'm gonna say is float summon things. I don't know what the other piece of picture is. I forgot where this castling was. I think it's an open key thing. I'm scared. Alright, guys. No, you don't. 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 You're blind. No, 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 no. Where's my shotgun at? Bruh, hurry. Go. Come on, go, 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 go. Hurry, hurry. Oh no. Let's use stun gun. Oh my god, guys. Here it is. Let's go. Make this video long. So grab a snack, grab popcorn, grab a snack, grab anything you need before this video starts. I know I probably said it too way early, but I don't care. Where's my shotgun at? Shoot. That's where we stopped at, but we're not stopping today. We're gonna go today. You don't have to watch a video if you don't want to, but I recommend it. It's pretty fun. Well, it's not fun if you, like and subscribe for more videos. Because you never know what happened. And you could probably do something fun one day. You never know. So yeah, like and subscribe. Right now, I'm in Bakersfield, and yeah. So like and subscribe, please. I'm very tired. Grab the gun thingy, majigger. This is a gun. Yeah. Donk, so I have to reload it. I'm just a person that does that. Oh my god, my butt's slipping. I hate it. Okay. I'm very dumb. Hold up, guys. Just give me a minute so I can do this. Guys! My whole foot is asleep. We know the glass fuse. Your foot is asleep. Guys, we're doing it. There it is. Okay, guys, we're almost done. We just need to go get the stuff now. Okay. Nothing will get in our way. Grandma, what is he? No, let's go check the security cameras. He's coming, I think. No, Grandpa scared me. Day 2. Oh my god, we had everything, guys. I'm so sorry. Thought we can do this. Guess wrong. Where did my tape go? The heck? How does he see me? Honey? guys, we're going to do this. Go on the zipper. Okay, we did it. We need to go get the 8 minutes. We need to go get the gasoline now. Come on, guys, we almost did it. I promise you this, guys. We'll defeat it. We're not making a part 3. I don't feel like making a part 3. Do you know how long it takes to do all this? A lot of time. It takes like for hours and hours and hours just to do one simple thing. That's not simple. Ugh. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go. Okay, guys. I'm here. Okay, guys, we just need to get the boat key now. I mean, not the boat key. The thing. We need to go get the key. Sleep. Go upstairs. Okay. We have everything we need, I think. I hope this is the right key. Okay. Are we going to do it? I don't know. We have everything. I believe so. Guys, we did it. We did it. We escaped. Let us go. We did it. Hear that music? I like that. This music, I love it. We did it. Haha, Grandpa, take that, you lazy bumhead. Haha. The end. Oh my god, we did it. Oh my god. Okay, guys. That was a long thing. I'm so sorry that was so long. But thank you for watching the video. And I hope you guys have a good day. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you all tomorrow, my beautiful friends. Bye-bye.